Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watching. I'm your host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's go ahead and start off with the weather for your Tuesday. Looking at South Carolina right now, conditions are good. Clear skies, maybe a couple of clouds out there, but right now no rain is falling, so we are pretty good right now. The only place that where rain is falling inside of the East Coast is actually the Northeast. If you go ahead and look up here, we do have some type of precipitation, some snow up there inside Maine right now, but that's it. And then if we go ahead and move over to the west, the Midwest, the Central U.S., and parts of the Rockies, even the Dixie Alley, Great Lakes region, we're all clear. North Dakota, we do have some snow. California and Washington and Oregon is still getting that rain, even though it's supposed to let up later today. And then we have some rain and some snow inside the Rocky Mountains and some ice. So that is current conditions right now. Let's go ahead and look at the cloud cover. Cloud cover right now, we do have clouds inside the sky near Charleston, Beaufort, Allendale, South Carolina, maybe even near Georgetown, and that's about it. If I look outside, I do see some clouds out there where I am. So, yes, there are clouds out there. Confirmed. Here's our current temperatures: 43 inside of Orangeburg, 39 inside of Columbia, 46 inside Charleston, 46 Moncks Corner, 44 Georgetown, 46 Myrtle Beach, 43 Florence, 32 Greenville, 35 Anderson, 39 Greenwood, 37 Augusta. So it did get below freezing today inside Greenville. Um, Minimum temperature last night showed at around 34 degrees, but it got lower than we thought. Here's our day one maximum temperature: 70s inside of all of South Carolina, except for if you're near the coast. 70 near Greenville, Spartanburg. 71 near Anderson. 73 near Augusta. 73 near Columbia. 72 near Sumter. 74 near Florence. 69 near Charleston. 65 near Myrtle Beach. 74 near Savannah. So, definitely seems like the more southern you go, kind of like the more southern and away from the coast you get, the hotter it's going to be. So, we're just going to see what happens today. But it should be very, very warm. And you might not even need any sort of long sleeves or anything if you go out like this afternoon. No wind gusts is expected for the next 24 hours. So, no major wind gusts, I should say. 24-hour precipitation in inches. No precipitation is expected in the next 24 hours. And let's go ahead and talk about the Storm Prediction Center outlook. So we do have marginal risk of severe weather that does include Overland Park, Kansas, Springland, Missouri, Independence, Missouri, Blue Springs, Missouri, and Columbia, Missouri. Kansas City actually is just out of that risk. Kansas City, Missouri is, and Kansas City, Kansas is as well. So kind of dodged the bullet, but I think that some parts of Kansas City, Missouri could be in there. So if you know anybody inside Kansas City, Missouri, just let them know too. But again, Overland Park, Springfield, Missouri, Independence, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, and Blue Springs, Missouri is inside of this marginal risk. This does include no chance of a tornado, 5% chance of hail, and a 5% chance of wind damage. Let's go ahead and look and see if we can look at the risk for today on another map. If we go ahead and switch scenes over, the the CSU is the only one that's really catching the eye of this one. Mainly saying that there's going to be just a hail threat. The wind threat's not going to be too high, but they think that the hail threat is going to be a big factor. We'll see the reports later today and see which one worked out. Did the SBC one work out, or did the CSU one work out? Day 2, obviously. Also, day 2 has been up to a slight risk of severe weather, not only for a 5% chance of tornadoes and a 15% hatch risk of damaging hail, but also a 15% risk for wind as well. So tomorrow uptrended very, very quickly. So tomorrow is going to be a big day as well, especially for Kansas and Missouri. And then if we go to day 3, look at this. We do have a day 3 risk as well, and a day 3 probabilistic outlook. And look at this. We have 2 huge hatch risks for day 3. So very, very interesting stuff. Day 4, here we are. The CIPS did add a 10% risk for us as well. So severe weather is coming back, and it's coming back strong, and it's gonna be a multi-day severe weather outbreak. So we're gonna have to pay attention. We got to go day by day, but we got to focus with this one first. We got to focus on the marginal risk first for today, and then we'll go to the slight risk for tomorrow. And we'll talk about this tonight. So again, if you know anybody inside the marginal risk for today, let them know. And here's the excessive rainfall. No excessive rainfall is possible for today. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tonight with another forecast update.